So today, I'm heading to one of my absolute favorite taco spots in the south part of Mexico City. It's called Los Consentidos del Barrio, and it actually got a Michelin recommendation, which I think is totally deserved. They specialize in and basically brag about being the real deal when it comes to grilled tacos. So let's dive into the food. But first off, I gotta mention that their special house sauce, it's insane. It seriously takes whatever you order to the next level and has a nice little kick. Okay, now let's talk about food. I started with the two chuleta tacos, which are a personal favorite of mine. They add an extra tortilla to them to fill you up. Seriously delicious. But the star of the show for me is their special quesadilla. You can choose any meat you want, and I wanted the rib meat. Oh my god, it was incredible. I actually forgot to film the whole thing because I was so hungry, but the staff was super nice and let me shoot a quick video of them making it. To finish it up, I had a volcán de bistec or a steak volcano, which was also amazing and a perfect way to end a great meal. Out of all the Michelin tacos recommended, these guys definitely make my top 3. Totally worth it.